Austin police are showing and telling us more about an in-custody death from last weekend. Officers tased a man in North Austin, and that man later died. We do want to warn you here, some of the video APD released today may be hard to watch. Police say this doorbell footage shows Josh Trumbull breaking into a home on Grover Avenue last Saturday. No one was home at the time. And police say they got a call, other 911 calls about him trying to break into cars and other homes nearby. So when officers responded, they found Trumbull outside a home and say he initially complied with their demands. But then he stopped listening as they detained him and they tased him.
Let go of your hands. Let go of your hands. Let go of your hands.
Relax or you're going to get tased.
Try a different set. Try a different set.
Stop. Stop. Do not.
Shortly after that, Trumbull was unresponsive. Medics tried to revive him for 38 minutes, but he died on scene. The Austin police officers who were involved are on leave, which is standard protocol. This case is raising questions from Trumbull's family about his final moments and the police tactics overall during that encounter. Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky has been talking to policing experts across the country today and joins us now with what they're saying about this incident.
And Mark, this case really stands as an example of how the general public and especially members of a person's family can watch video just like this and see one thing, yet police trainers see something completely different. 3 experts we spoke to today say that the officers appeared to approach Trumbull showing a level of restraint and that they did not immediately go hands-on. They said that using the taser in this case might have been appropriate to not have a prolonged encounter between Trumbull and officers.
So I thought in terms of professional policing, I thought it was these officers did things the way they were supposed to do. But sometimes in these types of situations, regardless of what the officer does, the person can die. You know, they've literally taken their body beyond its ability to cope. And we'll have to see what the actual cause of death is ruled.
One question that officials will have to answer, according to these experts, is whether he was left in what is called the face-down prone position for too long, potentially making it difficult for him to breathe, and whether officers should have sat him up faster. So I talked by phone today to Trumbull's parents, who said their son was a high school football star in Texarkana who graduated more than a decade ago. They said he had been working in welding and sheet metal in both Austin and in Houston. Mark, they say nothing they know about their son, though, is consistent with how he was acting in those videos, and they suspect that he may have had some sort of brain injury, some sort of accident that was causing him to try to get help beating on those doors instead of doing something criminal in their minds.
And that might be where a medical expert comes into this.
Exactly. There's going to be a lot more for us to learn in this case.
All right, Tony, I know you'll keep us posted.
You bet.
Thank you.